Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go over really quickly how to create a custom banner or header for your Google Forms. Now I've got one I've just created for my attendance that I'm going to be using, and I wanted to have a cute little banner because I want to incorporate my little Bitmoji in there. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a Google Slide presentation and you want to resize it. So go to File, Page Setup, Custom, change it to pixels because I know I need 800 by 200 pixels. So now that I've got my size correct, I want to change the background. I can go up to the top or I can right click and change background. I'm just going to change the color here and I'm going to go with this teal color. And then I want to insert my Bitmoji, and my students know that I do everything Hawaiian themed, so I'm going to take this aloha and I'm going to paste it here. So now all I'm going to do here is write welcome, because this is where they're going to just check in for the class, whether it's remotely or in class. I want them to just kind of check in here. I kind of get the pulse if we're in the class. I get the pulse of how they're feeling. Are they tired? Did they get enough sleep? Are they ready to learn? How are they feeling? So I just ask basic, simple questions. So I'm going to insert word art. And I'm going to size this down. And I like the way that white looks on there. I may change the background though. You want to change it to something that you would prefer, something that you like, something that makes you happy. This is going to be my attendance banner for my Google form. So I'm going to title it. Then I'm going to File, Download As, a JPEG or a PNG. Go into my form, and up here, this palette, this will let me change the theme. Now I can just change the color and choose a basic one, or I can choose my own image. And I want to upload it. So I went and found the one I had saved on my computer. And now you have this cute little banner across the top. Notice it adjusted your color palette. Everything comes together very nicely. I can even change that if I want. I like that. And there you have it. That's how you create a custom banner for your Google Forms. Step out, be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day. Bye.